What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a trade I took on GBPUSD earlier this morning. Now, I'm not going to lie, I did take 3 losses this morning, so I was looking for one trade that I could possibly make up all those losses on, and GBP was the one that I ended up recovering all of my losses on, as well as making some extra profit on top of that. So we can see right here that we were in a solid downtrend on the 1 minute chart, and then you notice that we produced this level right here. So I went ahead and marked it up, but unfortunately I did miss this trade. I'm not sure what I was doing, just around the house cleaning or taking my dogs out or something, so I missed this trade. But I noticed that this level right here was produced, so I went ahead and marked up this level right here, and then you can see how price didn't exactly come down and retest it as strong as I'd like. But if we zoom in and look closely, we can see that we do have this pattern right here. So this is the reason why I took this trade. As soon as this candle right here closed as an engulfing candle, which means it took up more than 50% of this candle and this one right here, I went ahead and placed my trade. And you can see how price did go up for the next hour. So as long as price was above this line right here, by the time it reached this vertical line right here, I had won my trade. I ended up placing 2 1-hour puts on this because the first trade I placed, I miscalculated my risk and it wasn't enough. It was under what I usually risk for my account size. So I went ahead and placed another trade to make up for that. So I had 2 trades right here, 2 1-hour calls on this right here, and you can see how they both won. So this was a very simple trade, probably one of the easiest trades I've taken in a while as terms of analysis right here. You can see, like I said, we just had one level. I missed this one right here. Then we can see this level right here, and unfortunately price didn't retest it as much as I'd like, but it made up for it by producing this candle pattern right here. So we went ahead and took our trade, and you can see how price went up and we won. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, please just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to break it down in more depth or explain it to you in a different way. Also, if you like to see when I take these trades live or see the trades that I call out for my students, go ahead and just follow me on Facebook or Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.